In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom invoice template in Xero. This is useful for adding your company's branding to invoices and giving your business a more professional appearance. First, open your web browser and navigate to xero.com. Once you're there, log in to your Xero account. After logging in, look at the top navigation menu and click on Sales. From the drop-down menu, select Sales Settings. You'll now see several options related to your sales documents. Look for Invoice Settings and click on it. This is where you can manage your invoice templates and branding themes. Look for New Branding Theme and click on it. A branding theme window will appear. Start by entering a name for your new template, such as Main Brand Template. Next, customize the branding options. You can upload your company logo, choose fonts, and configure default invoice settings such as payment terms, tax settings, and standard notes. Take a moment to review your settings and make sure everything matches your business branding. Once you're satisfied with the template, click Save. Your new branding theme will now be available when creating invoices, allowing you to maintain a consistent and professional appearance. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom invoice template in Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.